thing here in Crown Point. Welcome. Beautiful. Fully remodeled. We have gorgeous quartzite countertop. We have the waterfall feature. Lots of fabulous gold built-in appliance, all Gaggenau appliance. We have this really cool pot filler feature. Lots of ambiance, sexy lighting. Here we have a half bath. Check this out. So cool. Pantry. Here we have a spacious living room with a built-in banquet. This area can entertain a lot of folks. Custom bar area. Gas fireplace. And the most amazing views. Welcome to your private spa. Here you have a luxurious bar steam shower with a commercial grade steamer and dual-headed showers. A large bench perfect for relaxing on. No details were overlooked. This smart toilet. Bed that folds up to an office when not in use. And a steamer. You'll never need to buy Pellegrino again with the hydro caps. And there's an on-demand hot water feature. Motorized shade for your convenience.